Oh god.
What's your blood type?
It's type A.
Come with me.
Is this enough to save Han Woo-jin?
No, I think we'll need a couple more bags.
Okay, then let me just fill up another one, please.
We've already gotten too much. Any more would put you at risk.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'm a boxer. It'll take more than this to kill me, you know? So it's fine.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Listen to me. I really have to save him, please. Please just let me fill up another one. Please, I'm begging you.
I really can't.
Just kill me, really. Please, I have to. I have to save him. I have to save him. I really won't die, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you.